Hello everyone. Today I want to explain about probability. Probability means an occurrence of events. Events means that may be an exhaustive event, mutually exclusive event, independent event, etc. The mathematical meaning of probability is if the outcome of a trial consists of an exhaustive, mutually exclusive, equally possible cases, of which m of them are favorable cases to an event, then the probability of the happening of event is usually denoted by P of E or P. It is defined to be equal to m divided by n. Whereas P is equal to number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. If P of E is equal to 1, E is called as sure event. P of E is equal to 0, E is called as impossible event. Application of probability. Some of the applications of probability are predicting the outcome when you flipping a coin, choosing a card from the deck, throwing a dice, pulling a green candy from a bag of red candies, winning a lottery, one in many millions. These all are some applications of probabilities. We may come across some real life applications of probabilities also, that are weather forecast, sports and gaming strategies, buying or selling insurance, online shopping, determination of blood groups, analyzing political strategies, etc. There are some general rules for solving the problems based on probability, that are let A, B, C are the events associated with a random experiment, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. These are based on the sets. Then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Then P of A intersection B bar is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A bar intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. These are some rules. Let us solve one simple example. A bag contains 10 oranges and 20 apples, out of which 5 apples and 3 oranges are defective. If a person takes out 2 at random, what is the probability that either both are good or both are apples? Solution is that out of 30 items, 2 can selected in 30 C 2 ways, that is combination. Thus, total elementary events is 30 C 2. Consider two events A and B. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. As I already said, there are 20 apples, out of which 2 can drawn in 20 C2 ways. P of A is equal to 20 C2 by 30 C2. There are 8 defective items and 22 are good. Out of 22 good items, 2 can drawn in 22 C2 ways. Probability of B is equal to 22 C2 by 30 C2. Since there are 15 items which are good apples, out of which 2 can be selected in 15 C2 ways, therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to 15 C2 by 30 C2. Substituting these values of probability of A and probability of B and probability of A intersection B in that formula, we get that required probability, that is 316 divided by 435. Thank you.